Hello, everyone. This is Eric Shevtsov from PortaOne, and today with me, as usual, Dmitry Lavranyuk.
Hello.
In this video, we're going to touch recent Cloud PBX improvements, changes to the portal, and news about the subscribers of this portal. So let's start.
Yep.
So first of all, I'd like to thank all the subscribers of the portal. We can see a great dynamics. So the number of users of the portal has increased 7 times for the last half a year, which is a great increase. So we thank you very much for the trust, and we thank all the users from all 48 countries who are using this portal. Thank you very much, and we hope to bring more good stuff for you, more nice features, more product improvements, and so on.
Yes, and indeed this trend is no surprise to me, since PortaOne has a very good presence, telcos in 90+ countries all over the world can potentially offer the Cloud PBX solution to other countries as well. Okay, so let's now see which new stuff has been added recently to the Cloud PBX portal. And I'm happy to announce that the happy owners of the system, which runs at least maintenance release 98, can now offer the group paging functionality to their customers. That means that your Cloud PBX customers can now save on costs of very expensive public access equipment in case they need to do public announcements. For example, an emergency notice in the office can be broadcast using IP phones instead of the costly public access system. That means that your customers now are able to enable group paging via the Cloud PBX portal and enjoy this functionality. The next feature we've recently added requires support of maintenance release 100. If you are the lucky provider whose system is on that latest or current LTS, that means now you can offer bring your own device policy to your customers. Not only they can purchase devices from you as a telco, but can also add own devices to their inventory so that they can enable auto provisioning for the support of IP devices. But I think it's worth seeing once, so let's do the live demo. And I hope if you guys are planning to turn your PortaSwitch into full-scale UCaaS platform, you can easily do this by offering the Cloud PBX portal to your customers alongside. So now I'm logging into the portal, and I would like to demonstrate these recent improvements. So now I'm opening ring groups, and what the customer needs to do is select some members who will be allowed or authorized to broadcast public announcements to other members of the same ring group. So here's the checkbox the customer needs to select, and this will allow the selected group member to broadcast announcements, and then all IP phones will play the announcement simultaneously, though the recipients will not be able to answer its one-way audio. After you selected the authorized members, please make sure that the feature itself, named paging intercom, is enabled for the entire office. And then when an authorized user needs to announce some emergency situation in the office, for example, all they need to do is just dial the service code, which is followed by the ring group number. And the next feature we've added recently is all about the device management. So here you go. Your customer may manage their inventory by adding new devices to it. So if you guys offer auto provisioning templates to some models that your customers have, or you rent out or sell, that means that now your customers may add the new devices for the supported models, either manually, like I'm doing here by specifying a particular MAC address stamped on my desk phone. I'm able to generate a new device name based on the model and the MAC address. Or alternatively, I may also import the files that I own from a CSV file. So all I need to do is prepare a corresponding file for the import. Let's say I have the list of my Yelinks and I'm doing the upload. And once the upload is complete, that means I'm able to control the newly added devices and assign the free ports to the employees from my company. Let me do this for this extension. And there you go. The benefit you as a telco are getting is that you can offload the painstaking device management job to the customers themselves, so that they can add own devices and do not need to make calls to you to enable auto provisioning for the Yelling that they bought long ago. So let us know what you think. We will be happy to get the feedback on the most recently added features. And now we are getting back to the presentation.
Yeah, so my favorite part after the demo is how you can act. If you are running one of the releases like MR95 Plus, it could be MR95 or maybe MR100. If you are one of these lucky 50 plus PortaOne customers, you can get a free trial and a free instance of fully branded portal. So you can try it yourself, and you can, for instance, check with your PortaBilling administrators, PortaSwitch administrators. You can try with your pilot or friendly customers and see if they like it, if it covers the needs of your end users, and then decide like whether you need our portal or you can use some other alternatives like our old portal, or maybe some portal designed by you guys, by your in-house developers. And for those who are not yet on MR95, you can get access to our demo platform. So you can get hands-on experience on a demo server, right?
Sure. We will be happy to get any feedback, whether it fits, the portal, whether it fits the current needs or something is missing, which will give us fuel to do future improvements, right?
Yeah, thank you very much. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Cheers.
Bye.